Hello and welcome to this course on how to create a professional membership site to sell your digital products. I'm so excited you enroll in this course and I hope you're gonna find tons of value here. My name is Frank and I'm the founder of Magin Academy, which is a community that helps you learning new skills so that you can earn a passive, semi-passive income at the comfort of your home. In this class, you learn step by step from how to get a domain name all the way to create professional looking website and membership site so that you can sell your product or services online. Although this course is free, there are tools and services that I might recommend that I have an affiliate relationship with. So if you go through my links and you purchase something, I will get a little commissions from that company. So there is no additional cost to you, so do not worry about that. At the end of each lesson, please remember to click on the continue button, I think is above or below this video, so that you can track your progress. So let's have a look at some examples of digital product that you can sell. So the first things that come to mind are online courses. In the last 6 or 7 years, this online business, the e-learning business, has been booming. I think last year was around $250 billion in revenue. So there's a lot of room here to put our passion into profit. So if you, for instance, know about how to play an instrument, you can teach that instrument. If you're passionate about pretty much everything, anything you think of, it could be a hobby, it could be a sport. So here I just listed some. Let's say if you're into cooking, into yoga, into meditations, into relationships. If you are into investing, whether it's real estate investing, whether it's stock investing or forex investing, or how to start a business, marketing. If you know about software, like I started to teach software, and that's what I was passionate about and I'm passionate about, so that's what it comes easy to me. So you need to find something that it's easy for you to teach so that you can translate that into a digital product of it. Things like if you're a musician, for instance, you can sell your album. You're perhaps selling already your music online through some platform or through your website, but you can actually make a membership site or create a community where people can go in and they can access to information like composition classes, mixing and mastering, tips and tricks about songwriting, etc. You can really be creative here. So whatever profession you are in now, you can put some of it into an online business. If you wrote a book, you can, if you want to sell it online, if you have ebooks, audiobooks, podcasts, webinars and stuff like this, you can put these into your website and create like a portal, like a membership area where only your subscribers can access and benefit from. So it would be good to have only those people who are passionate about something and create that community where you're surrounded by like-minded people. Guides, manuals, systems. I wrote down these blueprints and step by step because people like to have some sort of a curriculum where they can just follow from lesson 1 all the way to lesson 20, from A to Z. They want to be guided through a process. I know there are informations that you can find on YouTube easily because there are thousands and thousands of videos about a topic. So you can literally go there and spend hours and hours. But what you buy here and what you basically access to with the membership site, your audience pay for time because they're saving time by accessing an online course. They pay for a subscription because they want to get everything in one place. My wife, for instance, has got a subscription for a cooking application, so she can access all of the different recipes in one place. She can organize it in different orders, etc. So it's beneficial. She pays just a little bit every month, but she's got a community there. She can access to all the recipes in one place, and you can do the same thing here. You can create a blueprint. You can create a step-by-step process for people to follow. You have to get into photography. Photography is such a huge industry. If you have photos you want to sell, there are places you can sell your photos, of course, but you can also create your own website, sell your photos there, and also your services as well. Or if you're thinking about creating a membership site where all of your people will access to all of your lessons, all of your tips and tricks, you can make a little videos about anything that you learn about techniques, about landscape, nature, portrait, etc. You can be very creative here. And also, if you are into coaching and consulting, this would be a perfect tool to put your skill into practice. Create that portal, create that community, let's say a blog, or if you don't like to do blogs, you can just create videos about your coaching or your consulting business, and then create a membership site only for those who are interested in accessing certain materials that you would like to share. So who is this course for? Of course, if you already have a digital product or a service that you want to sell, this is perfect for you. If you are a beginner and you don't have any product yet, it's still very useful for you, because I'm going to give you the foundations of a kind of an online business in a way, because I'm teaching you from the beginning how to get a domain name all the way through accepting payment, so you are pretty much ready to put your digital product or anything you want to sell out there easily. If you already have a website but you're not selling anything yet, definitely it's good if you have something like Squarespace or Wix or any of those websites which are like a preset templates where you can drag and drop your photos and text very easily. I'm gonna teach you a way to how to link those websites using membership plugins or a membership site where you can then upload your products and services. If you already have an account with, let's say, ClickBank or Udemy, Skillshares, Lynda, if you don't know what these are essentially platforms where you can sell your digital product online or your consulting or services online. If you're already one of those, or many, you know that these websites actually take like a chunk of your profit, or like a big chunk of your profit. But having your own personal website will allow you to just cut the middleman and get more profit for yourself as well, and more reward. So this course is not for you, of course. If you already have a website and you sell online, it's kind of a redundant. But if you're not happy with the result and you want to find out how it's been done, it's definitely for you. If you're not willing to put the work, this course is not for you. It's not done for you course. This is more like I teach you step by step, and you need, after the lessons, you need to put it into action. If you don't put any work to it, it's not going to work. If you're not willing to spend any money, this course is not for you, because I'm going to go through things like how to purchase a theme which is already set for you, is professionally looking, and you only need to worry about creating a home page, about page, product page, contact page, and that's it. So you don't have to worry about the look on how kind of your furnitures look like. Everything is set up for you, and you just need to worry about putting your stuff out there. The course goals are this: you're gonna get a domain name, you're gonna get a host, you're gonna get WordPress as well. So we're going to also buy or download a theme and a theme builder. We're gonna create our homepage, our product page or service page. Then I'm gonna teach you how to upload your content and how to protect your content as well on Amazon. I'm gonna show you how to do that very cheaply, and also how to accept payments. So let's build your online business. So your online business is like a house. So we need to first of all put the foundations, and the foundations is your host. Then we're gonna put your website, where we're going to basically split this in 6 different sections. The first sections here is your door, which is your domain name. Then we're gonna get a theme and a theme builder, which is your furniture. And then after the furniture, we're gonna put our homepage, our content page, or product page in this case, and also we're gonna be able to accept payments as well, so that our prospect can come in and we can deliver the value to them as well. And one last thing, I would like you to introduce yourself. Tell us your name, where you're from, and most importantly, tell us why you have enrolled in this course. And it's very important to share the why, because it will help you and others in the community to get motivated to keep moving forward, especially during the class. So I'm looking forward to learn more about you and your why, and please leave a comment below and hit continue to keep track of your progress, and I'll see you in the next video.